That you could turn me on, whatever that's about it. You could say what you wanna, but I wouldn't believe it. You could write all them songs, that's the game that you play. Tryna write all them notes, but you can make me stay. I see right through your back, and if you knew better, boy, you would do better. Can't nobody love you like I do, baby, I could do better. Boy, if you knew better, you would do better. Baby, if you love me like I love you, maybe we could be together. Cause ain't nobody like me, 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 ain't nobody like me. Make a mistake, you better learn from it. Play with tea, you get burned from it. My daddy always told me if it makes you cry, it ain't the one, you better run from it. He used to get to me mentally, I don't fuck with your energy. You know better, you would do better, but you don't know shit, so I'll do better. Got a new dude and some new shoes, just to go with my new boo, loving me like he used to. And I ain't even worried about it this time. I know he gon' be the one that treat me just right. That's right. Never had a motherfucker this tight. Cause baby, this is what your soulmate look like. I look good, right? If you knew better, boy, you would do better. Can't